So this is section 11.3, homework problem number 14. And A asks you to find the projected average rate of change in enrollment at public institutions, so that's going to be the blue dots, over the period from 2010 to 2022. So if you look at how the graph is laid out, it's going from 2000 to 2004 over 2 boxes. So each box is 2 years. So here's 2002, 2004, 2006, 2008, 2010 is right here. So we're coming up to the blue graph, and we're seeing when the year is 2010, our enrollment is 15.1. And then in the year, here's 2020, so here's 2022. Then we come up to the graph, and our enrollment in 2022 is projected to be 16.9. So the average rate of the change is the same as the slope of the line connecting these 2 points. So the slope is going to be the second y-coordinate minus the first y-coordinate over the second x minus the first x. So I'm getting 0.15, and then the units of the slope are always units of y per units of x. So let's see what we've got here. It's 0.15. The units of y are million students per the units of x or year. Well, 0.15 million is just kind of an awkward way of saying that. So when you multiply by a million, you move the decimal place. Let's see how many places. Multiply by 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, a million. So the decimal goes here when you've multiplied by a million. And 0.15 million is the same number as 150,000 students per year. So that's the projected average rate of change, and in fact it's an increase of, because we got a positive slope. Okay, so that's A. Then B, we're asked about at private institutions over a different time range. So we're asked from 2016, so that would be here, where in 2016 we're getting 6.0, and then 2022 we're getting 6.6. So again, I would find my slope, 6.6 minus the 6 over 2022 minus 2016, and I'm getting 0.1. So by the same process as for part A, that's 100,000, an increase of 100,000 students per year is what this graph is projecting.